Yeah,
Hi, this is Sonia. It's light in there here, isn't it?
Let's go
Say
with that.
hi.
She opens her eyes.
Say hi to the world. Do something cute. Do something cute. I'm so confused. Yeah, fill up your diaper for us.
Have hiccups, they're so cute.
Hey, cutie.
Well, my mom's here visiting. She's helping out a lot.
Hi, sweetie.
Yeah,
Hi, sweetie.
this is our apartment. Audrey wanted to see our apartment. That's Scott.
Oh, she's making some faces now. Oh, well.
Of course. Woo! She's drunk off breast milk right now. Okay. I'll talk to you later. She's a little lethargic. Bye.